Hi guys, good evening. Oh, we're trying to play some Go Battle Leagues tonight. I'm trying to showcase the Johto starters on the evolution form. We'll try to use the Feraligatr, the Meganium, and the Cyndaquil, okay? I think I have the Shadow. We will try to do it on the Ultra League. I'm much more what do you call this? I'm much more comfortable doing the Ultra League. So let me bring my screen up. Okay. Okay, there you go. Then I have for Alligator, I guess. This one, round 20. And then for Meganium, I'm not sure. No, this one. I have this 8, 15, 15. Siyempre, power up natin yan hanggang 2.5, 2400. Okay. 2496. Oh my god. It's Stardust. 465,000 Stardust. Okay, no problem with that. So, yan. Let's remove this bind. I think it's why we bind it. And then for the Petal Blizzard, Earthquake, and then new attack. Gastos mo ha. So sa new attack, I think gamit na nila charge dito. Gawin natin siyang Plant. Okay. Okay. And then for the Cyndaquil, Typhlosion, I think I have this one. Okay. Power up din natin to. Papunta ng 2400. 2480. Oh, hindi ata ito yan. Wait, let me check. Ito ba isa yun? No. Ito nga. May Cyndaquil pa ata ako. Cyndaquil. Shadow. Wala na. So, yun na nga. Sorry. So, ang gulo. Hoy. Max natin to hanggang 2400. Oh, 2500. Saktong-sakto pala. Kaso sakit din sa Stardust. 177,000. It's okay. Kaya pa natin ipunin yung Stardust na yan. For this, magkaano tayo? May incinerate to, di ba? May incinerate nga. So, kung natin yung incinerate. Kaya yan. Ano ba yan? Legacy move? No, legacy move ata yung incinerate. Hindi. Sorry. And for this one, gusto ko ng Thunder Punch. Give me the Thunder Punch. Thunder Punch, please. Okay, then yung attack tayo. Ito ay gagawin natin Blast Burn. Okay. Then, for the Feraligatr, okay na yan, kasi ginagamit talaga natin to. Create the team. Party, Ultra League. Before I'm using the Tinkaton, Skyguard, and Feraligatr. Now, parang okay na lead si Typhlosion. Typhlosion, Meganium. Okay, and then the Feraligatr. Okay. Let's do this. Also, we can try the new stadium. Wow. By the way, it's World Championship Week. World Championship Week. So, ganito yung stadium natin. So, lahat ng mag-Go Battle League, ganito yung stadium na may encounter nyo. So, let's try this one. First encounter, last call, last north. Let's go. Ipon lang tayo. So, Shadow Punch. Shadow Punch to eh. Sige, tanggapin na natin. Ayan, last one. Thunder Punch tayo. Grabe. So, medyo matagal ko na itong gustong itry. Ngayon lang naging... Ay, sayang, hindi nakuha sa CMP time. Oh, lamang tayo na ano. Lamang tayo ng... Shield advantage. Shield advantage tayo, guys. Okay, what I'm doing. Oh my god. Then, pa-farm up na kayo ng energy. Oh my god, what I'm doing. Kaya pa to. Okay, subukan natin to. Grabe, may Feraligator din siya. Naka-switch advantage siya. So, wala yan. Pagtaran natin to. Nag-shield na siya. Abot pa ba? Abot pa ata sa isang ano? Hihi! Abot pa sa isang Hydro Cannon. Then after this, mag-switch tayo agad. Yan. That's 1, 2, sayang, hindi pa umabot. Ano to? Ice Beam? Hindi, sarin natin yan. Hydro Cannon lang yan. 1. Ouch! Grabe ka naman, sir. Subukan natin kung mamamatay sa Earthquake to. Earthquake incoming! Meganium, do your thing! Come on! Boom! Konting-konti na lang, sir. Nice one. Game number 1. Panalo tayo, mga tol. Yes, panalo tayo dyan. Grabe. Next game. Grabe. Buti na lang yung kalaban natin nag-shield siya sa Dusknoir niya kanina. So nakalamong tayo doon ng shield advantage. Okay, Charizard to Typhlosion. As is ang laban, wala magpapalit. Load up tayo para sa dalawang Thunder Punch. Okay, first Thunder Punch incoming. Hoping maka-shield tayo. Nice one. Sanda na rin yung pangalawa. I think this is Dragon Claw. So, okay, buhay pa tayo dyan. Thunder Punch ulit tayo. Nakuha natin yung 2 shield. 2 shield burn. So, kaya natin to. Okay. Dito, I think Dragon Claw pa din to. So, kaya lang natin yun. Okay. Switch tayo. Promerina incoming. Then, we switch up to Meganium. Para batoy natin ng Principlant to. 1 hit lang to, guys. Hindi ka nang ginawa din, sir. Okay. Tikman mo ang sakit ng aking Meganium. This one, farm down tayo. Dragon. Iwasan natin yung Blast Burn. Hoping okay lang. Kahit Dragon Claw lang yan, no problem. Buti na yung safe than sorry. Batayin natin ito ng Principlant. Kasi I lost count na ng ilang energy niya. So, okay lang yan. Okay, patay na yan. Last Pokemon, incoming. Who's this one? Ooh. Ito natin ang Earthquake. Then, let's switch up to Feraligator. May ipon tayo doon na ano. May energy tayo doon. Batayin natin na Ice Beam. Dragon are weak. Especially Dragon. Weaken sa ice, guys. Let's go. 2-0. Okay, come on, come on. Nakangiti yung character natin, guys. Come on, next game. Ultra League. In fairness, gumagana tong Typhlosion lead natin, ha. Typhlosion, Meganium, and Feraligatr. Grabe. Uy, hi Daxi. May loading. Bad lead, bad lead. Subukan natin kunin yung Thunder Punch kasi naka-Dragon Tail naman to eh. Kunin natin yung Dragon Punch, yung Thunder Punch. CMP time, nauna tayo doon. Pwede natin itong kunin. And then, let's switch to... Uy, nakuha natin yung shield nun. Okay. Babatot siya ng surf, guys. So, magsishield tayo for the surf. Load up tayo ng energy, then nag-switch tayo into Meganium. 1, 2, switch tayo sa Meganium. 3, para makuha natin yung surf niya or whatsoever. Okay. Yun lang. Nadali tayo dun. Hindi ako nang ginawa dun. Oh, mali. Pero let's see. Tingnan natin kung pwede pa to. Uy, nag-shield siya, guys. Nag-shield siya. Subok. Subok lang, subok. Flying ito eh. Pero still, may part pa rin ito ng fire. That's okay. Then, patayin natin ito ng Thunder Punch. Let's go for Thunder Punch. Okay. Nice one. Burn up tayo ng shield dito. Uy, may Thunder Punch pa ako. Tumagos, idol. Tumagos. CMP time. Bye. Wow. Doing it. You're doing it. This one. Sobrang ganda na to. Okay, Hydro Cannon incoming. Hindi tayo magsha-shield dyan. Okay, thank you so much. Mas masakit Hydro Cannon natin dito, guys. We are on the Shadow Feraligatr. Ang sakit ng Hydro Cannon nito kahit pa neutral element. See that? Oh my god. 3-0. 3-0 incoming. Nice one. Earthquake pa siya, oh. Surprisingly, may shield pa ako. Okay, 3-0 guys. Grabe. Effective tong ginagawa natin. Last 2 games for this trial. Surprisingly, it's working. Typhlosion, Meganium, Feraligatr. Ang problem na naman dito yung lead. If lead is neutral counter, dun tayo mahirapan kasi mawawalan tayo dun ng switch advantage. But as long as gaganda yung lead, okay lang. So we're trying to build some Thunder Punch pag ganda yung lead natin. So okay lang yan. As long as 2 Thunder Punch yung kuko, iipunin natin, goods lang. Like this one, is using a Dragon Claw. So hindi mo yan isi-shield, kaya mo lang siyang pumasok. Kaya pa yan. Okay, first Thunder Punch incoming. Let's see if magsha-shield siya dito. But as much as possible, makuha natin yung shield. Okay. Tapos isa pang load up para mapatay natin siya. Let's see. Kung magsha-shield siya dito, double shield, okay lang. Okay, double shield na gamit. 1, 2, meron doon tayong Thunder Punch. Pwede natin itong i-shield. Pero risky. Risky bakit? Kasi baka mamaya ma-CMP type. Pero shield tayo. Sige. Tapos activate yung CMP time. Thunder Punch. Let's go. Grabe. Ang ganda ng lead na to. Ang ganda ng lead na to, guys. Sobrang dami niyang nakukuha Ang dami niya. Ba't pa ako nag-switch? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Night slash or hydro cannon. Okay lang, hayaan natin. Night slash. Okay. Antay tayo baka mag-switch siya eh. So, okay lang kahit hindi saluin ulit. Ay, hindi mag-shield, no problem. So, yun na natin night slash. Walang boost guys. Walang boost. So, okay lang. 1, 2. Botin natin ang earthquake guys. Okay. Okay, for this one, matay na to. Pero okay lang yan. Pwede pa tayong shield. 1, 2, ay shit! Bahala ko sana haluin using, sorry bad words. Ay, hindi ako nakapag-shield! Hala, anong ginagawa ko? Hindi ako nakapag-shield. Ba't ganun? Ano ba yun? Nakakainis naman. Nilaro ko pa kasi. Nilaro ko pa. Bakit ganun? Mali ako ng ginawa dun. Mali tayo dun, mali. Sorry. Ano ba yan? Kamali ako, hindi ko na-shield kanina. Oh my god. My bad. Sorry. It's okay. Isa lang yung nakalusot. Still. Ganda pa naman ang plano ko dun. Sayang. Well, it's okay. It happens. So, last game for this one. Medyo mali ako dun. So, bawi tayo dito. Romerina. Sana naka-charm. Okay, naka-charm siya. No problem. Stay lang tayo. Naka-charm siya. Bato tayo ng Thunder Punch. Ay! Yun lang. Hindi ko napansin. Sumay guard. Mali. Napasay guard tayo dun ah. Switch tayo into Feraligator. Feraligator in action. Come on. Ang sakit ng ano, Dragon Tail. So this one, Bulldoze. Shield tayo. Uy, Crunch. I'm expecting Bulldoze. Okay. Hydro Cannon incoming. Hoping makakuha tayo ng ano, ng shield advantage. Ay, sorry. Ng shield and damage. Okay. Isa pa. Okay, CMP time. Makakuha tayo doon. Grabe ha, ang hirap ng kalaban natin ha. As I guard tayo. It's okay. Sige, shield tayo. Crunch, medyo matagal yung loading niya. So makakabala tayo dalawang hydro cannon. Bago pa siya makapag-charge up ng Crunch. Usually ako, pag gamit ko si Zygarde, naka-bulldoze ako doon, tsaka earthquake. Ay, bulldoze tsaka bulldoze tsaka okay, for this one dahil wala namang load yung type potion natin, mag-ganyan tayo 1, 2 not sure baka magana to Desiron Boys. Okay, Desiron Boys nga. Sakit. Wow, ang sakit ah. Tingin nyo, mananalo pa tayo for this matchup? I'm not so sure. 1, 2... Ay, bakit yan? Okay lang. Tapos, Madislam, okay. Shit. Talo tayo, guys. Sorry, bad words again. It's okay. It's part of the game. 1. Lulusot pa kaya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uy! Parang mananalo pa tayo! Oh, this clutch! This clutch, guys! I'm not expecting this one. Oh my god! Naklutch natin yun! Nice! Nice one! Hindi ko expect na makaklutch ko yun! Grabe! Na-clutch natin. Grabe, 5-0 dapat tayo doon. Hindi tayo nagkamali. Ano ka lang. Ganyan talaga. Hey! Mianfu. Mianfu, how are you? Uy, Ben, bad throw. So guys, effective yung lineup natin. Effective yung lineup natin, guys. Double Mianfu. Ben, Dinix. Excellent throw. Let's go! Effective yung lineup natin, guys. Grabe. Seryoso, hindi ko expect na mag-work yun. Guys. Hindi ko pa napalitan na World of Wonders pa. But, well, effective sa akin. You try it, guys. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Sa mga susunod na araw, isa pa tayo ng maganda lineup for the PvP. Subukan ko tomorrow naman. Gagamitin naman natin yung 2025 Great League World Championship lineup. So, subukan natin yung effective sa atin. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.